I do is take care of all the sound for the show. The position is known as sound designer, and that entails everything that the audience is going to hear. That can be whether it's the microphones that are on the singers or the actors, to the orchestra that you hear rehearsing in the background right now, to the sound effects. I have a recording studio in my home, and I can record sound effects there and build up all kinds of different effects for shows. And they can be kind of fun. It's actually playing for a living. For instance, for this show, I mean, how many people get paid to actually record the sound of flatulence or belching or a horse? I have 5 different versions of a horse whinnying and neighing. You're going to be lined up from stage right to stage left.
Hippolota, Delicatessa, Widowshade, Macromint, Ephraim's daughter, Longstocking.
Clang's under 10.
Oh, thanks.
Larson.
Yes, Clang, I'm a-coming. What's the great rush anyway? It's not like we're hot enough to trail some criminal. It's just a kid we're after.
Maya.
We'll give her the money now then. We'll give her the money now then. Pippi, won't you please come sit down? Pippi, won't you please come sit down?
Okay, this needs to go underneath everything that you're going to take off. All right? When you do your costume change, this does not come off of your body, and this does not come off of your head. The only thing that you get to adjust is this mic boom. Now I want it off, right off the corner of your mouth. So if you'll touch up there, and you can turn it now, and that's very good. Get to the top of the steps, no more talking. Sign language only. All right? Des, go ahead.
Toys! Get your toys! Get your toys here!
Heaven help us, why?
So all those things combined together become what is known as sound design.